Hello everybody, this is the Mr. Ollivanders with another unboxing from Noble Collection. Got a really big box here. Kind of damaged on that side. But this is 2 4-wand display cases. So that's 8 wands. Yeah. Okay, so I got 2 different boxes here. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm not gonna unbox the display part. Oh, sorry about that. Because it'll take too long. So I'll just show you the wands. This box. Okay. Here's the 8 wands. Got Professor McGonagall. Just gonna give you a quick look. Yeah. And Fleur. Here's that. And you can see them better in the review. Next is Victor Krum. More. Professor Trelawney. I can't really see him very well. Kind of dark in here. We got Professor Sprout. This one's cool. Yeah, okay. That one's kind of hard to get in. Bill Weasley. Yeah. It's taking a long time. Percy Weasley. That's bigger than I expected. Normally stuff is smaller. And one more is Professor Flitwick. Pretty cool. Alright, and that's it. So look out for the reviews of these wands. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.